Hi friends, this video shows how to disable or turn off auto update of system apps. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select this settings icon from top right corner. Go to apps. In some TV model, we had to go to device preferences. There we would be able to find apps section. Let me select apps here. Then select see all apps. Here we can see list of installed apps. From this list we have to select Google Play Store. Select Google Play Store. In some TV model we have to go to system apps. Go down and select show system apps. There we would be able to find Google Play Store app. So let me select Google Play Store from here. Then select open. So now I have opened Google Play Store app. Then on top right corner you can see one profile icon. Select that icon. Select settings. Then set auto update apps. So here we can see two options. The first option is auto update apps at any time. Right now I have enabled auto update apps. If you want to disable or turn off auto update of system apps, we have to select this second option, don't auto update apps. Done. So this way we can disable or turn off auto update of system apps. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.